I'm here with my friend Huang. You've seen him before. The younger of the two Tool brothers.
Yes.
We're going inside a clean room. The goal is to keep the dust to a minimum, covering up as much as possible. What kind of factory is this one? To make glass for what?
For iPhone glass.
For the screen, right?
Yeah.
The front glass.
Yeah.
Oh. CNC.
Yeah, CNC.
Oh, we're cutting the glass.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Make it 4 at a time. Interesting. There's CNCs all the way down. So they get glass this size?
Yeah.
They start this size?
Yeah.
No, they can make all the time.
And they're just, this is the stack here. No. Just cutting the rounded corners.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
Interesting. So she's feeding 1, 2, 3, 4 here.
Yeah.
Got it. Okay. And then he's got those.
Yeah.
So this is it? This whole process right here?
Yeah.
This is it, one step.
Yeah.
Oh, interesting. Very interesting. Can I touch?
Yeah.
But don't they need to like polish it or something? Where?
Later I will show you.
Later, okay. Say, I don't think this is it. Oh, let's look at the tooling. It's got 2 pieces to it. Multiple pieces. Different diameters on the same tool. That's clever. Here's the dormitory out here for the workers. Where the workers stay. You have to provide that as a factory boss, so workers won't come work for you. It's an important part of the benefits package. They don't want to pay for their own housing. You have to provide it. Oh, wow. Oh my God. That's crazy. Oh my God. Polishing the edges or polishing the front? Yeah. Wow. Look at this over here. Yeah. Just check out how many of these there are. So we got 4 heads, 9 at a time. Amazing. Curve on the end.
Yeah.
Where is that?
No age.
No need.
No age. So
Yeah.
here, you try my hand first.
Yeah. Okay. So we're polishing the edges. This machine makes it smooth.
This one.
Yeah. Okay. So just polishing the edges.
Yeah.
And polishing the middle. The white is an abrasive compound.
Okay.
That's cool. Yeah.
Okay, we don't see the...
It's some high concentration detergent.
Yeah.
So just a detergent to make it easier for everything to come off it.
Yeah.
Remove the oil. And then ultrasound.
Oh.
400 hot.
Yeah. For how
400
long?
hot, yeah.
How many
4
minutes?
hours.
4 hours.
Yeah.
And you heat it up and then let it cool slowly.
Yeah. So finish, you put the water.
Oh.
Yeah, cold. This one machine can put 4,000 pieces.
Put it hot in the cold water.
No. Because this one take, then
Yeah.
put cold water. Yeah,
Totally
put the
sure
cold
stuff.
water. Take this hot because
Yeah.
400.
Yep.
So we put the cold water.
And it doesn't break.
Yeah.
Okay. Back to the boss's office. Okay, just put on booties. Okay. Yep. There we go. Okay. Yeah. Oh, fancy. Smells funny from here. Smells like vinyl. This is cool. Just look at these stacks. There's 10 per stack. That's crazy. The volume in here is crazy. That's yours.
You know what this? Because this one no need a mold. Just take LCD. We can see this way.
And there are alignment marks. Rather than having a jig, what you mean by a mold, you can just align it with marks.
This one for LCD.
Oh, that's your logo. Yeah, so this is your logo here. Yeah. So here, they're marked with the black. And then these are before. Yeah. Oh, I see. It's a silkscreen process. Yeah. Very simple. And they just got machines all the way along here doing the same thing all the way down. This one's doing white. It goes from that machine to this machine, so to add the white.
Yeah.
This one is making white, so making the white. Oh, look at all of the silk screens. That's crazy. That is super cool. Oh, in the oven? Yeah. Okay, that's just to bake on the enamel, bake on the color.
So washing again.
Ah, okay, another wash line. Another washing line.
Yeah.
Beautiful. So adding, oh, but it's for oil. For oil.
Yes. Yeah.
So this is the oleophobic coating. And then packaging here.
Yeah. One finish. So okay.
Yep.
So you see.
Yep. Got it.
Yeah, you see.
Oh yeah. Yep. Yeah, so this is that oleophobic coating you're used to seeing from the stock screens from Apple, but they figured out how to do it here third party. They're spraying it on here and then putting it inside plastic. So they're actually packaging inside plastic here. Yeah. Oh, looking at the strength.
Yeah.
That's crazy. Woo! It's pretty strong.
Yeah.
It's good. Very strong.
Yeah.
So they put in this after, they put it in this container after they wash it, so it doesn't get dust on it.
Yeah.
Yeah, just to keep it clean.
Yeah.
So they've just got regular totes here. Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah.
She's making the making. She looks like she's good at this. So that's how cell phone glass is made. So when you crack your screen, generally, it is just this glass you're cracking. And the great scam of the Western cell phone repair world is that you have to change the entire screen, when in fact it's just this piece of glass that only costs a couple bucks. What is the price of this, roughly?
This very cheap. How much I sell?
Yeah, roughly. You don't have to say the exact price. You can say like about.
What about 3.5?
RMB.
Yeah.
So about 50 cents. $0.50.
Yeah.
That's amazing. So when you're paying, I don't know, however much you pay Apple to swap your screen, really, the part that broke is only worth about 50 cents, and there's some labor in ungluing it and sticking a new one on, but.
We need the clothes.
Ah, okay, we're gonna put on a clean room suit.
Yeah.
Don't take shoes off. We're getting suited up to go in a clean room. I'm here with my friend Huang, well, the younger of the two Tool brothers.
Yes.
We're headed in to see how touchscreens are made, the touchscreen component for iPhones.
Yes.
Yeah, for iPhones.
Yeah.
We're gonna see how aftermarket touchscreens are made for repairing and refurbishing iPhone screens. We're going inside a clean room. The goal is to keep the dust to a minimum, covering up as much as possible. And the goal is to keep skin, hairs, and all sorts of things inside, so we don't cause any problems with the quality. So next, into the air shower, as always. All right. All right. So this is your partner factory that you work with to make your brand touchscreens.
Yeah.
So we're gonna see from start to finish how they make it.
First to check the flex.
Okay, so this is the flex that would attach to the
flex cable.
Okay, and so checking the quality.
Yes.
Yep. Checking the quality of the flex cable that attaches to the touchscreen. Next it comes here.
ACF with a sensor.
ACF. Okay.
Yeah.
It is designed to conduct in only one direction, in the Z direction, but not horizontally in the X or Y direction. It's used a bunch in display manufacturing, and so they use it as a conductive adhesive between the flex cable and the screen. So they have these fancy machines for lining it all up and then pressing it. I'll link to another video where you can see more detail about how this works, but the basic idea is it has microscopic metal balls in it, and it squishes it down to one layer of the balls. The spacing of the balls is such they don't touch each other horizontally, but the balls touch the top and bottom surfaces, and that provides conductivity in only the Z direction. don't understand how this works. So they're only applying the ACF
Yeah.
on one side?
Yeah.
Okay, so just applying it to the touchscreen now,
Yeah.
and then apply the cable later. The flex, same. Okay. So multiple stations for the same thing, for efficiency.
This one.
Oh, here we go. Okay, lining up the flex. I know this one.
Yeah.
So let's see. Okay, there's the flex.
Flex.
You can see it.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then up on the screen up here is a microscope shot showing top and bottom. This shows top and bottom.
Yeah.
You have to line it up perfectly, and then it goes and stamps it down. So heat and pressure, just run it. So he's running 2 stations side by side.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, so for faster. So you can line one up while one's being pressed.
Yes.
Yep. And how many stations you got? 4?
5.
5. Okay. Yeah. 5 at the same time. They were saying they make 150,000 pieces per month here.
Yes.
But in this room, 150,000. It's so crazy. That's so fast.
Buy from another company.
Okay, another company.
Yeah.
So you're not making the screen itself, you apply the flex.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, putting the cables on. So, got it. So all the same setup.
Second, to this one,
Yeah.
is some glue in this.
Glue.
UV.
Okay, put a glue here.
Yes.
Ah, okay. So she's doing the glue right there. And then it goes in a curing UV cure. Yeah, UV cure over here.
Yeah.
Yeah. And they're doing just an entire plate of them at the same time.
Yeah. Because
Entire tray.
those UV.
Yeah. Yeah, nice. You can see how hefty this UV light is here. Just all the fans, 9 fans,
Yeah.
2 power cables.
Yeah.
Yep. Awesome. What about here?
To test.
Oh, testing. Okay.
Yeah. Testing.
These testing jigs are always really impressive.
First test.
Yeah.
Maybe.
So they're
one.
specifically testing the outside edge. The middle never seems to have any problems.
Middle.
It's always the edge that's a problem. Yeah, 100%. Every piece testing.
Yeah.
So we go.
Okay. Now we'll go to the next room.
Cover the glass with the sensor.
Add the cover glass. So this is the protective glass now. Always intimate in here. Oh wow. So now we have clean room within a clean room. Not the first time I've seen that before. Oh, cleaning it. Okay.
Like this.
So it runs through the rollers. It's sticky inside.
Yeah.
那个
Yeah, okay.
过来把它演示一下。
Removing any dust or anything like that. And this is the touch sensor.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is what we saw being assembled before. Just quality checking for dust or anything.
Yeah.
In the visual inspection.
那里面就大家不进去嘛，就进去2个。
This is where they come together.
Yes, is that
Okay.
original touch.
Clean room inside of a clean room with moisture coming in, and then fans and ionizing blowers. Just trying to keep it as clean as possible so there's no dust between these 2 glass layers. It's all the same? Same?
All the
Okay.
same, yeah.
Okay, all the same. Bunch of folks in there.
Then this way is
Yeah. Oh, here you go. Here's your logo.
Yes.
Yeah.
Make your logo. G
Okay.
Plus OCA Pro,
Yeah.
To check the touch.
which is Huang's brand. Inspecting and then putting the logo on it.
Yeah.
The cover. Yep. What is this over here? The glue machine.
Oh, this already have fans. Already have fans.
Here. Already have what?
Fan.
Oh, the frame. Beautiful. Oh, and using suction cups, I see.
Time machine.
Yep. And then a jig with the frame. Swap it out. Press it. Just cleaning and checking.
Yeah.
Yeah, clean the glue.
Yeah.
Yeah. Is that finished?
Yeah, that's finished.
Finished? Easy.
Okay, first
It's not the word I would have used, but okay. This one.
first to test the
Oh,
touch.
testing. Okay,
Yeah,
check.
yeah.
Another
Like this.
testing.
Yeah.
This is on like a real phone. That's not a real phone, but sort of like a real phone. Testing everything, including the connector. And this is on a real phone. It's just a hacked apart phone. What do you use this one for?
This laser machine.
Yeah, for what though?
This laser put some make mark. Yeah.
But for on what part? Oh, here. On the frame?
They will.
Oh, they're gonna show me. Okay.
Yeah, yeah. You.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Gonna see how they use the marking laser. Now I know I get a bunch of crap in the comments for we're not wearing any laser protection. I have never ever seen any laser protection on a marking machine like this, and I also have never seen anybody lose eyesight. Wow, that was fast, whatever it was. Oh, okay, right here. Right there.
Yes.
Okay. Just making like a lot number, batch number or something like that. Yeah. Yeah, good. I'm not sure I'm ready to open my my own touchscreen factory, but that was pretty neat. You definitely see how you could. If you want to buy some from Huang, these are his brands. We put them up on the wall of his partner factory, and we'll put a link down in the description.
Yes.
Yeah. Cool. Okay. Okay. And we'll put a link to AliExpress, AliExpress. Okay. And then you can buy through those links, and you can contact him directly too via those links if you want. Awesome. He's a good guy. How long have we known each other? 8 years, maybe?
Yeah.
Maybe, yeah, something like that. He's as honest as they come, super nice, easy to work with. I recommend him. I'll see you again soon. And then obligatory sitting and smoking and drinking tea.
Yeah.
Every time we go to a factory. Yeah. Same like this.
Yeah.
I love shooting factory tours, but they normally take 2 to 3 days to shoot with a crew of 3 of us. They're labor intensive, they're fast paced, and I get stressed trying to ensure we get all the best footage in order to make a quality video. This factory tour was different, however. I shot this video entirely on the Insta360 X5 camera, and I was able to tour both factories you saw here in one morning all by myself. Thank you so much to Insta360 for sponsoring this video and for sending me this awesome camera. The Insta360 X5 might change how I shoot factory tours forever. And it has so many features to offer that make filming a breeze. Of course, since it's a 360 camera, it captures video in all directions, and the invisible selfie stick effect means that I can shoot however I want, knowing that the equipment won't be getting in the way. The Insta360 is light, tough, and lets me capture angles and perspectives that I just couldn't get with a regular camera. The thing I love most about this camera and what makes it so tough is the replaceable lenses, a world's first for a 360 camera. When I screw up, a damaged lens no longer means a dead camera. The lens takes just minutes to replace, unscrewing the holding ring using the provided tool, removing the old lens, placing the new lens, and reattaching the ring. The other huge improvement to the X5 is its pure video mode, with its low light capabilities greatly outperforming similar cameras. Factories can be dark. Combine that with the Insta360 editing app, and you can create professional edits with simple swipes, taps, and features designed to make editing easy and fast. If you want one of your own, don't wait. Use my link below to grab your very own Insta360 X5, and as a special gift, the first 30 orders will also receive a free replacement lens kit. I'll see you again soon.